These are the summary notes on the volume of cylinders. What is volume? Remember, the volume of a three-dimensional object is the amount of cubic units it takes to fill the object up. To find the volume of a cylinder, you must first calculate the area of the base and then multiply it by the height of the cylinder. The formula for any cylinder is V for volume equals the area of the base times the height. This is the same formula as it was for all prisms. So the V stands for volume, B stands for area of the base, that's why it's a capital V, and H stands for the height of the cylinder. What is the formula you will need to use to find the area of the base of a cylinder? Well, a cylinder has a base that is shaped like a circle. That means we're going to use the formula for the area of a circle to find the area of the base. That formula is pi r squared. There are two parts of a circle that you need to remember when you're doing this. The radius is the length that goes halfway across the circle. The diameter goes all the way across the circle. How do you find the diameter of a circle if you know the radius? So how would you find this diameter if you only had the radius? You would have to double the value of the radius. How do you find the radius of a circle if you know the diameter? Well, this is going to be going the other way around. You would have to divide the value of the diameter by 2. Turn your notes to the next side. For each cylinder, I want you to calculate the B, capital V, area of base, and the H, and then calculate the V, or volume. So this first one right here, we're showing a diameter of 12 and a height of 16. Pause the video, find the area of the base and the height, and then calculate the volume. Press play once you're ready to check your answer. For this cylinder, the radius was 6, which is half of the diameter. So in order to find the area of the base, we have to take pi times 6 squared, or pi times 36, which is about 113.04. The height is 16. When you multiply the area of the base times the height, you get 1,808.64 cubic centimeters. If you rounded differently than me in the area of the base, yours might be a little bit different, but it shouldn't be too far off. Now try the second cylinder. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to check your answer. To find the area of the base of the second cylinder, you have to take 8 squared and multiply it by pi, or pi times 64, which is about 200.96, depending on how you round. The height is 2. If we take 200.96 times 2, we get the volume, or 401.92 cubic inches. Make sure that whenever you're finding volume, you label your units with a 3 as your exponent to show that it is cubed. Now I want you to get whiteboards out. Make sure you pause the video until you're ready to use your whiteboards. Alright, for this first problem, I want you to practice this on your whiteboard. We have a cylinder with a radius of 8 and a height of 12. I want you to find the area of the base and the height, and then calculate the volume by taking the area of the base times the height. Press pause, and then press play to check your answers. The area of the base is pi r squared, or pi times 8 squared, which equals 200.96. The height is 12, which means if we take the area of the base times the height, we get 2,411.52 cubic centimeters. Erase your whiteboard and get ready for the next question. In our next problem, we have a cylinder with a diameter of 20 and a height of 36. I want you to find the volume of this cylinder. Pause the video and then press play to check your answer. The area of the base is taken with pi r squared, or pi times 10 squared, which equals 314. The height is 36, so if we take the area of the base times the height, we get 11,304 cubic centimeters, which is our volume.